Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to do a remix in YouTube. So very quickly, what we want to do here is you want to go to YouTube, and then from here you want to go to Shorts on the upper options, lower options. Go to Shorts. Find a video that you want to collab with. So as long as there's that plus sign, that is the remix button. So let's click on this right here. Now you can either use this sound for collaboration. For example, this one right here, use the sound. You can edit the sound based on your video preference like so. Or you may also opt to collab. For collab, just click on next. Again, you can shorten the video depending on the video that you'll be creating or collaborating. And then, as you can see here, your camera will be activated. And then next, you can also use a green screen for collaboration, like so. Click on done and you'll be activating green screen. And that's about it. So those are the options that you can do for Remix in YouTube. Hopefully we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do hit the like and of course the subscribe button so you'll see more videos just like this only here on Tech Help Guy.